Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable game mode for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS AIR 4 Pro. And basically we have a few options how to enable or disable it. We can use an application or we can use gestures. Now, let's get started by using application. Open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see the same menu as I have. This one. Now, we need to go to equalizer settings, so click the equalizer line at the left top. And right here we have game mode, so if this slider near to it have empty background, it means that it's disabled, and to enable just tap on it. If this slider have colorful background, it means that it's enabled, and to disable it just tap on it. If you enable this mode, you may experience connection instability, so I don't recommend it to use this mode all the time, only when you play games. Now I showed you how to use it in the application, and now I will show you how to use it by gestures. And you need to use your left earbud. Right here we have it. At the back side, right here at the top, we have SOUNDPEATS logo, and you need to, this is actually a touch area, and you need to press 3 times at this touch area to enable or disable it. So let's press on it, 1, 2, 3, and I just enable it, 1, 2, 3, and I disable it, so it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!